Best places to visit in Peru. Chachapoyas, the capital of Amazonas, is a gateway to stunning natural landscapes and archaeological sites. Visit the distinctive sarcophagi of Karagia, or the ancient stone city of Quelap, the largest pre-Inca ruins in South America. Explore the nearby mountains, valleys, and forests teeming with diverse fauna and flora. Paracas National Reserve offers dramatic scenery, archaeological sites, and beautiful beaches. Take a boat trip to the Ballestas Islands to see spectacular rock formations and abundant wildlife. Enjoy swimming in the warm waters of its sheltered beaches and indulge in sailing and windsurfing. Chan Chan, near Trujillo, is an extensive archaeological site and the largest pre-Columbian city discovered so far. Explore the ancient adobe city with its palaces, plazas, and temples. Visit the partially restored Palacio Nic An, known for its geometric designs and marine motifs. Huascarán National Park in the Andes is home to the Cordillera Blanca, the world's highest tropical mountain range. Trek through its sweeping valleys, high plateaus, and steep slopes. Marvel at the more than 600 glaciers and spot diverse fauna and flora, including the elusive puma and endangered spectacled bear. Huacachina is a surreal oasis surrounded by sand dunes near Inka. Enjoy sandboarding, quad biking, and dune buggy rides in its sandy surroundings. Climb to the top of the dunes for breathtaking views and relax by the oasis. Don't miss the opportunity to visit the wineries in nearby Inka. Mancora is a popular beach destination along the northern Peruvian coast. Relax on its glorious sandy coastline and enjoy lazy beach days. Go surfing in the warm waters or spot dolphins and whales frolicking in the waves. Explore El Nuro to swim with turtles or visit the hot springs of Poza de Barro. Trujillo is a colonial city with colorful Spanish mansions and quaint churches. Explore the Chan Chan ruins, the largest adobe city in the Americas. Visit the National University of Trujillo with the world's longest mosaic. Relax on the beaches of Huanchaco and soak up the sun. The Nazca Desert is famous for the mysterious Nazca lines. Take a flight over the lines or visit the observation tower to view the main figures. Explore the ancient aqueducts known as the Nazca Channels and witness the thriving plantations in this inhospitable location. Iquitos is the largest city on Earth without road access and offers an authentic escape in the Amazon jungle. Browse the Belen floating market and visit the San Juan Crafts Market for souvenirs. Take boat trips along the Amazon River to spot wildlife or visit the Pacaya Samiria National Reserve. Puno is a picturesque port city and the gateway to Lake Titicaca. Take a boat to the Uro's floating islands and experience the Aymara and Quechua cultures. Visit a llama farm and stay overnight with a local family. Enjoy the stunning views over the lake and explore the nearby islands.